Hello everybody and welcome to Movership.com. Today I'm going to show you how to post a truck. After logging to your account, click on the Offer Trucks button. You are now on this page. You can choose to offer a one-time trip or a recurring trip by clicking those buttons. If you click on recurring trip, you will be able, in date and time, to put some information about your recurring trip. Let's put a one-time trip. First, you have to tell about the route. So, type here your departure city, for example, from Brussels, Belgium. Okay. Here I just put a city, but I can put an entire address. For example, Rue du Fossé au Loup. Rue du Fossé au Loup. Okay. And here is the destination city. For example, Barcelona. Here. Carrera de Santa Ana, Barcelona, Spain. Okay. And you can see the website is automatically creating a route. If you want to modify this route because you're, for example, going to Barcelona with the, I don't know, for example, going through Dijon, you can put other points for pickup and drop off. This is steps. Dijon. And the route is automatically redrawn. But I don't drive into the Luxembourg, so here I will type France and then Dijon. Okay, as you can see now, I'm going from Belgium to France to Spain. Okay? This is the first step. Then you have to tell to other people about your date and time. If it's not a round trip, so you just have the departure time to tell. So for example, we are leaving next Monday at 8. If it's a round trip, you have the return date. Okay? Then, in your vehicle details, you can select one of your trucks that you set previously in your account when you go in your dashboard or profile, and you can add all your vehicles. Then your truck type. In example, this is a mover truck. The commodity, new furniture, and the service: origin, freight, and destination. Only the freight for this example. Your available load space. 2 tons for, I don't know, 10 cube meters, and I can accept partial load. If someone has only one, you can only 1 cube meters, you can accept his load. In further details, you can put some details about your trip, or I don't know, your truck, about I don't know. You can put some detail, but not as it's written. You cannot put any mobile number or email. It will be automatically deleted because it's already in your profile. So if you put detail there, non-members of Movership will be able to catch those details, and this is not what we want. You have to check this box to tell that your RB certified, you're going to copyright and be professional, and click on Publish Offer. The offer will be instantly on the system. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on Movership.com.